What's up guys? How are you? We are listing top 5 best electric toothbrush for 2022 in this video. No product price, any question, more products information from link in the description. We are update on best prices for the best products. So like, comment this video and hit the subscribe button for more videos. Now let's get starting. Number 5 OralB Series 9, electric toothbrush with 3 replacement brush heads. Compatible only with OralB refill heads. You will receive 1 OralB Series 9 Black Onyx electric toothbrush, 3 OralB Ultimate Clean replacement brush heads, and a powerful charging travel case. Perfect pressure, signals red when brushing too hard and green when brushing just right. Personalized brushing, display screen helps motivate you and enables you to customize your brushing experience. Sensational clean. Redesigned dentist-inspired round brush head with twisted bristles reach every contour for a deep clean. Live coaching with visible timer, AI tracks where you are brushing and guides you to 100% coverage so you don't miss any zone, while the visible timer ensures you brush for the dentist recommended 2 minutes. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 4 Philips Sonicare 9300, Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart 9300 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. Complete oral care with smart sensor technology for an exceptional clean. Removes up to 10x more plaque and improves gum health up to 7x in just 2 weeks. Removes up to 100% more stains in just 3 days. 3 different smart brush head types automatically pair with the appropriate brushing mode and smart sensors provide real-time feedback. 4 modes: Clean, White Plus, Deep Clean Plus and Gum Health, and 3 intensity levels. Includes 1 connected Sonicare toothbrush handle with 4 modes, 1 premium plaque control brush head, 1 premium white brush head, 1 premium gum health brush head, 1 charging glass, 1 travel case. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 3 Waterpik Sonic-Fusion 2.0, Professional Flossing Toothbrush, Electric Toothbrush and Water Flosser Combo in 1. Brush floss at the same time. Sonic-Fusion combines the power of an advanced sonic electric toothbrush with the proven effectiveness of the Waterpik water flosser, making it easy to floss every time you brush. Clinically proven, up to 2x as effective as traditional brushing and flossing for reducing plaque and improving gum health, accepted by the American Dental Association. 3 modes: brush, floss, and floss, at the push of a button. New improved 2x bristle tip speed versus original Sonic-Fusion, high/low toothbrush settings, quiet operation, and enhanced flossing performance. 1 compact brush head, 1 full-size brush head, 2 brush head covers, 2-minute timer with 30-second pacer, 10 water flosser pressure settings, recharge indicator, deluxe toothbrush travel case, and global voltage. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. Number 2 OralB Genius 8000, Genius 8000 electric toothbrush with Bluetooth connectivity. The new Genius 8000 pairs with your smartphone to enable position detection, which uses facial recognition to help you know where you've brushed, so you never miss a zone. Customizable multicolor smart ring provides real-time visual coaching on brushing time and pressure to help you brush like your dentist recommends. Pressure sensor technology automatically slows brush speed and visibly alerts you to protect gums from overbrushing. 6 cleaning modes allow you to brush based on your needs: daily clean, gum care, sensitive, whitening, tongue cleaning and pro clean mode. Smart travel case allows you to charge your toothbrush and your smartphone at the same time. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com. At last, number 1 Philips Sonicare 9700, Sonicare Diamond Clean Smart 9700 Rechargeable Electric Power Toothbrush. Complete oral care with smart sensor technology for an exceptional clean. Removes up to 10x more plaque and improves gum health up to 7x in just 2 weeks, in gum health mode versus a manual toothbrush. Removes up to 100% more stains in just 3 days, in white plus mode versus a manual toothbrush. 4 different smart brush head types automatically pair with the appropriate brushing mode and smart sensors provide real-time feedback. 5 modes: Clean, White Plus, Deep Clean Plus, Gum Health, Tongue Care, and 3 intensity levels. Includes 1 connected Sonicare toothbrush handle with 5 modes, 3 premium plaque control brush heads, 2 premium white brush heads, 2 premium gum health brush heads, 1 Tongue Care Plus brush head, 1 charging glass, 1 premium charging travel case, 1 wall plug. Please check link in the description box and order now from Amazon.com.